Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Greetings in Tibetan, Dashidelik. I wanted to do this self-love meditation and I've been requested a few times, so I will take this opportunity today to allow myself to take you into a journey of cultivating love, kindness, compassion to ourselves. And why not? And it always needs to start from within. So I would like you to find a comfortable position and go into a journey of inward, of self-love, guided by the wisdom, a gentle wisdom of yoga and the compassionate light of the Buddhism, with the little knowledge I have. Find a comfortable seat and cross-legged, or with your back straight against a chair or wall, or simply lie down on your back if that's a most comfortable position for yourself. And take few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now inhaling peace, exhaling any burdens you carry. Let your spine lengthen, your shoulders drop, your heart soften. Settle into the present moment, a sacred space where self-love begins to bloom. Imagine yourself nested in the heart of a radiant lotus flower. Its petals support you with unconditional acceptance. This lotus is your being, whole and perfect, untouched by the judgment and comparison. Feel the sunlight, not of this world, but of your own inner radiance, bathe you in warmth. This light embodies your inherent worth, your unique experiences, strengths, and vulnerabilities. Bringing your awareness back to your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. The anchor, the breath is the anchor of your present moment, which is always there for us. Each inhalation carries prana, life force, filling you with vitality. Each exhalation releases tension, worries, doubts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, relaxing your whole body by softening your heart. See your breath as a loving touch upon your soul, cleansing and renewing. With each cycle, repeat a simple mantra silently. I am loved. I am worthy. I am loved. I am worthy. And I am whole. I am loved. I am worthy. I am whole. And let these words seep into your bones, become the rhythm of your heart. Slowly on next, embark on a gentle journey through your body. Scan each limb, each muscle with tenderness, of a mother caring for their child. Acknowledge any aches and tightness, but offer them compassion, not criticism. Imagine a soft golden light emanating from your hands, healing your inner landscape. Breathe into any areas that feel heavy, constricted, and invite a gentle expansion, release. Remember, your body is a temple, worth of your love and your respect. Now visualizing yourself standing before a mirror, but instead of usual reflection, see a bright figure illuminating. A beautiful word. This is your true self, unmasked by doubt or negativity. Gaze into its eyes filled with infinity, love, and acceptance. Hear its voice whispering, I am here for you. Always, I am here for you, always. And in that moment, embrace yourself with open arms. Feel the immense love you have for this radiant being. Let tears flow if they need to be, cleansing your spirit. Feel emotional if it needs to be. As we breathe in and out, relaxing and becoming warmer, brighter, lighter, with your own love, with your own kindness, with your own compassion. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. As we near the end of our journey, imagine gently stepping out of the lotus, taking this newfound love with you into the world. See yourself interacting with others from this space of self-love, radiating kindness and understanding. Remember, the love you cultivate inwards ripples outwards, touching all you encounter. Carrying this mantra with you, may I be kind to myself. May I be kind to myself. May I speak words of love to my own heart. May I speak words of love to my own heart. And may I forgive myself and move forward with grace. May I forgive myself and move forward with grace. Inhale and exhale. Relaxing from your head to toe. Inhale and exhale. Relaxing from your head to toe. Inhale and exhale. Relaxing for yourself. You may take more time or slowly opening your eyes and taking a gentle or deep breath. integrating the warmth of self-love into your being, into every being of yours. Remember, you are a beautiful, a worthy soul, deserving of infinite love. And may this be the beginning of lifelong journey of self-compassionate, blooming not just for this period of time, but for every precious moment of your life. Take care.